Alright, I just left. My car is extremely packed down. And I didn't say goodbye to Corey, and I rushed out of there. And it all feels fucking weird. It's, the first time I'm leaving on a sour note, really, it feels like, or the first time I'm leaving when I don't fully want to leave. But good things are ahead. The future is bright. I got out of there. Fucking did it, I guess. Could still always turn around, but I'm not going to. Looked 108 times to make sure I didn't forget anything. And I'm almost on the freeway. Let's hope everything goes well. Make it to Amarillo tomorrow. And life's good, right? I hope. Hope the bikes stay on the back. Scary.
I had dreams within dreams about sex. I had dreams endlessly. As I would wake every hour, or less, or more, and see the stars in their different positions from us moving and not them. Even though everything's moving, so both of us moving. My chest collapsing at the way I lay in the seat that cannot relapse back, fold out to a flat bed in a motel. Instead, I park next to the trucks, in between them, almost wanting to put out a sign saying, "Knock on my window. Let me sleep in your big bed in the back of your truck." He handed me safe travels in the form of a mini New Testament. I told him to leave it on the car.
My chest aches and cracks at the bone. There's nowhere to go but to go alone.
Yesterday was yesterday. Now today, the stars have faded away.
We will continue to see change, as change is never ending upon us right here.
I see the light, and it has given me the light within to continue seeing the light. Despite all the burns and scars one may have, the light will continue to shine.
So never stop, unless it is the stop that you want to stop at. Unless you are that one tree out there growing. If that's you, keep growing. Unless you don't want to.
Because I went to sleep with the stars showing me its rotation, and now here I am. Life
Is